Right then. So, 2 streams, 2 different topics. That'll test my brain. So Mondays we're going to try and do that Traxx, and then Wednesdays we're going to do this new tank program. Suggested by one of the patrons who's on stream, and we're going to do it in basic first, and then we'll convert it to machine code. So, the only way to code basic for this Commodore 64 is using CBM Prog Studio by AJ. So we're going to do it in there.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
It's because you can see him, isn't it? Oh, okay, mate. Okay.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Yeah, you guys spoil him rotten. Here you go, mate. Tell me you're going to eat that. Oh, you'll eat them? You'll eat them? Alright then, there you go. He'll sniff them out. Yes, you definitely spoil Aston. We want fishy smell. I bought him some soft shoes. There you go. He's found another one. Right, so we're going to write this in BASIC. But before we do, you guys have been bonkers, right? You guys have absolutely been bonkers. So, we have some sprites. Look at this. We have some sprites. So, yeah. So at the moment they're only going one way. But we do have some sprites to shoot at. So I'm assuming they're the different distances away. So, yeah. Alright, so SP did these.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, who's followed? Say hello. We don't bite. We don't bite. Anybody talking to me on Discord? No. Good. So I reckon we just need to flip them so we can get them going in both directions. And also, do we need them face on? Do we need a set face on? Welcome, Doctor Everest. Sorry if I've said your name wrong. You would say hello, but you know you can't. It's not my fault you're not coming up in the chat window. Oh, how am I going to do that? How am I? Can I do? I did it before, didn't I? Oh, will this work? Hang on. Oh yes, that works. Hang on. Let me get rid of that one. Right, let's do it so you can't. There you go. Can you see now? But that's got all my thingies on it. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I can see you because I'm sharing the chat screen that I use. Let me turn off the chat highlights. Oh, I can't. Oh well, never mind. Well, you could see. You could see. We'll do it that way for the moment. So, we've got some tanks. Admittedly, they're going that way. So, we may need some tanks to go that way. So, when they're moving. And I think we need a tank that's looking face on, I think. I think that's what we need there. Why have I got people pinging me? Yeah, SP. And, right. And also... You alright, buddy? Did he fall over just then? Also, we have a new background, courtesy of Monsignor Stac Bats, I think. So we've got a new background. So level there, level there, level there. If we've got 3 different tanks, maybe we need another one, a smaller one, just for the far distance. Yeah, maybe. But we've got a background and multicolour by looks on it. No, this is not Traxx. This is not the reverse engineering of Traxx. But look what I was given. Hang on, let me see if I can fire it up. Let me see if I can fire it up. Right, let's start that up. And we'll put that in there. Look what someone sent me. Someone sent me that as the title screen. What do you think? So we've got to figure out how to do that, but that'll have to be in machine code. We'll never be able to do this in basic. We'll never be able to do this in basic, but we can do it in machine code. So I need to speak to SP because he's the creator of it, because I'll need it in a certain format like we did with the maze one. Yeah. So, but we'll get to doing that in the machine code one, because I don't think the basic one will be able to handle that. But isn't that brilliant? That's absolutely brilliant. And Stac Traxx, there you go. A nod to the person who suggested it. What? Come here. Come here. There we go. Say hello to everybody out there, yeah? Say hello. That's it. Blow a sneeze on me. Say hello to everybody. You know, say thank you for all the treats that you give you. Yeah? Daddy's a stinge. He doesn't do it for me. Hey? You're going to look up there. Look up there. You can't see, can you?
Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much.
See,
you guys really spoil me.
Biscuit, mate. Yeah, you're licking your chip. Yeah, licking your chops, eh? Alright then. Hey, so say hello. Say hello. Go on, wave. Woo. Hey.
Oh my god, more bits?
See, look, everybody's
Thank you very
buying
much.
biscuits.
You guys really spoil me.
Alright. Alright, and let me put you down. Because your heart's going bonkers, isn't it, eh? Wait. Wait. There you go. There you go. And they've insisted it's fishy. They've insisted it's fishy. Look. Look. There you go. In your bed. In your bed.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
There you go. Off you go. Right. So, what we got to try and do, and also we also got a font, yeah, which SP did last time out. We have a font to mess about with. So, we're going to try and do this in BASIC, yeah, and we're going to try and do, we're going to use AJ's CPS. Yes, he has been busy. I'm not licking my fingers, mate. No. 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 So yeah, SP has been busy. So I've created a project. So let's add a new basic file. So we're calling this that. Right. So I think I've got the font right. Yeah, got the font. Right, can you see that? Or does it need to be bigger? Because if... Oh, it might need bolding. Hang on. Oh, what's the font that's... What's the font that's in VSCode? What's the font that's used in VSCode? What's this font? Right, editor. Does it give the font? Oh, it doesn't do the font name. Oh, is it that? Consular, consular. Let's have a look. Have we got that? Right. Let's do that. Right. Is that better? Is that better? Look at Aston, he's having the best time of his life. Yeah. Because he's just had 2 fishies and I still owe him one, don't I? Right. I have to stick my hand in this bag. There you go, dude. It's in your bed. It's in your bed. You'll smell it. You'll smell it. Is your nose twitching? Is your nose twitching? Can you smell it? Or can you just smell my fingers? Blah. Yeah. There you go, mate. There you go. There you go. Not my fingers. There you go. Go on. In your bed. In your bed. Right. So you can see that, yeah? So, what is the... What's the comment? What's the comment in CPS? No, that's the comment in the code. I meant the actual CPS comment, where you can put comments in the basic code without actual... Ah, there we go. Exclamation mark minus. Right, exclamation mark minus. There we go, that's better. So... Stac Traxx the game. So we're going to have 4 levels of tanks, or not 4 levels, 4 regions. 4 regions of tanks. Sounds like an intro to Spaceball. So many different comment ways. Yeah. 4 regions of tanks. These regions are not fixed. For the tanks. The tanks can move left, right, forward, and back. Maybe. So we're gonna have four regions, but the tanks will be able to move in those regions. Yeah. If they're in a region, they'll be able to move within that region. But we won't know they're moving in that region, because what I don't want is to say 4 regions and the 50 meters away, 100 meters away, 150, 200. I want it to be a region, and the tank can be anywhere in that region. And then if they cross a region, then they're in the region, and we reflect the tank in a different region. Yeah. Oh, you found it, did you? Thought you might have found it. Right, let's do that. So that means that when we're working out the elevation, if they're in region 2, the worst thing I thought of was that if you're in a region, say region 2, you know that that's going to be 42 degrees of elevation. And I don't want that. I want it to be in a range of, say, 40 to 45 degrees or something like that. So we'll have it moving, yeah? We want the tank overheating. Too many shots at one time. We want a reload time delay. What else do we need? Initial velocity of shell is constant. Only require direction and elevation. What else? What else? What else is going to be in this tank game? That's basically it, isn't it? So that's basically it. Did we say anything else? What? What's the matter? You're not wanting to go out again, are you? Eh? What? There you go. There you go. Right, what else? What else? So, the tanks are going to be in four regions. Elevation and direction is how we're going to control it. Difficulty levels. Easy. Tanks are stationary.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Are you wanting to go out again? Right, I won't be a sec, mate. I won't be a sec. Come on then. Right. So, tanks are stationary. Well, that's it for easy, isn't it? Oh, we'll just have the two. Tanks move. Possible additions. Fighter jets. Is that how you spell fighter? There we go, fighter jets. Relief drops, you know, health or something. Oh yes, so name the difficulty levels after ranks. Yeah. Military. Is that how you spell military ranks? I don't know. M-I-L-I-T. Oh yeah. Right. So we could have a health bar, so we can see how damaged we are. Turret temperature, so we can see how hot the turret's getting. Power's out for 15 minutes. Oh, I won't have that problem soon because I'm getting a battery. I'm getting a battery. Hey, yeah, I'm getting a battery. Right. So what I mean by relief drops, that could increase your health. Yeah, if you make it land on the turret, let's say. Tropic temperature. Target distance. Target distance. Yeah, we'll leave it at that for the moment. Well, if any of you guys have any other ideas, we'll see if we can put them in. Yeah, but that's the basic concept. Yeah, so we're gonna have tanks on the screen, and we're going to get them moving. So, first things first, check Discord.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message!
Oh dear. What's going on? Oh, SP, you've been doing it again. Nice. Oh, we've got the 4th level as well now. Nice. Here we go. Here we go. So they're two sprites over the top of each other, yeah? That's set, I suppose that's set for the so they're not, yeah? Oh, does it have an overlay? Ah, right, okay. Got ya. Do these have overlays? No.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message!
Did I see... Hang on. Did you see my Discord message? Yes. At 8:30. The one at 8:30. Yeah? Do you want to announce it? Do you want me to announce what you want to do? Oh, just now. I haven't got one just now, mate. Oh, hello. Oh, here we go. He's getting married. It's only just arrived, mate. Alright, let me get it. We've got another intro. Let's put it in. We have another intro. Right then, let's get that added. There you go, mate. Test it out.
Phase 101.
Oh dear. That is just bonkers. Oh dear. Hang on, let me play it. Let me play it. Here we go. Oh no! Oh, I forgot to put that test in, didn't I? Rats. Go on, FaZe, do it again.
OSK, what the plank you are doing? Plank, plank, plank.
Yeah, I know. You've just done that, mate. You've got to wait another minute for you. I've got to change the bot so I can do it. I think I put it in the proper bot, didn't I? You can't do it. You've got to wait. Right. While we're waiting, every OSK stream from now has just been demonetized. Yeah. Right. So we've got to figure out how to get these tanks on to in basic. So question. Let's see now. Where are we gonna put it all? So we may have to. Oh, where are we gonna put it all? Does basic allow us for us to change the? Does basic allow us to change the bank? I suppose there's only one way of finding out, isn't there? Where's my website?
Phase 101.
Will you animate as they move? Oh, we'll try. We'll try. We'll try, mate. We'll try animating them. Right. Vic2 addressing. So it's DD00. So if we go to bank 3, which is C1000 onwards, I'm sure we'd be out the way there. So let's see if we can do this. Right. So, DD00. We're now working in decimal. Decimal. 56576. Poke. 56576. Comma. Peak. 56576. And with ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. FC 252 and 252. Right, so poke C that. So if our default now is C1000, so C1000 plus 400 equals 5176. So poke 5176. Oh, that's not right. 5176, comma 0. So that should put an @ sign in the top corner. Right, let's see. Will that do it? Program run. No. So, okay. Have I still got it running down here? No, I haven't. Right, let's do it. If I remember, let's do it the old-fashioned way. If I remember. Reset. Oh, I've just shut it down like a wally. Right, print peak open bracket 56576. Whoops. 56576. 151. Oops. One 4 8. That's why I need to do it. Yeah. So I need to set it to 148. So let's hard code it in. 8. Right, let's see if we get an @ sign in the corner. Oops, I pressed F6 and I should be pressing F5. No. Have I set up the debugger? Let's have a look. Yeah, debugger's set. Let's debug this. Oh, it won't do it. Why can't I debug? Can't I debug a basic program? Oh. I can't debug a basic program. Alright then. Let's do this. Right, I'm trying to go to bank 3, but leaving the screen where it is, yeah? So it would be C4000 where it would be pointing to. Let's just load the bin file in. Where are we? Right. So the screen is at the right place, C400. The character set should be right. So why is it not poked that number on the screen? Hang on. C400. C400. Oh, maybe it's that it doesn't like the character set. Can't. Surely it can see the character set. $50176. Yeah, C400. So I'm definitely let's poke a different number in there because there's lots of zeros, right? So let me go back to here. Let me poke it with 10. So let's build it. Right, let's get this to load it back in again. Right, so it's poked 10.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message!
Wait, only bank 0 and bank 2 can see the character set. Is that right? Okay. Okay. So bank 2 is going to be 9. 149. I never knew that. I never knew that. Right, let's load it back in. Now, the problem now is I'm poking in the wrong place now. So, calc. Three 33792. Yeah, I've changed it, Docster, because I'm poking in the wrong place now. I've changed banks. So if I load this again, there we go, J. So we've got a J up there. So we've got a J. So we should still be able to do E1000. Yeah, we should still be able to do E1000, DC1000. It's just that we won't be able to see the graphic. So we need to be able to load the graphic. I've shut that down. I didn't want to shut that down. Let's run it again. Right, so we know that's working, yeah? So let me put this back to 148 and 50176. Now we know that the character set's not going to be seen, which is fine because we're not going to use it. Right, load. Right, so go to C400. Right, poked it in the right place, and I bet you it's that character there. Bet you it's that character there. So where's the default character set?
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK, read my message.
But in basic, that is slow. Yeah, basic will be slow. I'm telling you now. 5, 2, 2, 2, 4. So if we put the character set there, which is CC. Now we need to put the character set at C8. Let's see. C8. Oh, that's where we need to put the character set. 5120. I know, mate. That's the whole point of basic. That's what we used to do back in the day. So character set is going to be C800, which equals 51200, which means D018 equals XXXX 0101X. Right, let's no 23248 53248 53248. No, that's D1000, isn't it? I'm suffering basic. Yeah, that's probably why you can't see it, because it's D1000, because that's the input output, isn't it? So we can't use D1000 for the character set. So I'm thinking of using 0800, yeah? Which is going to be C800. So we need this character set. Let's export this character set. So that's 63, 64, yeah? So we are talking 64. There we go. So file, save as. Why not bank 2? Because bank 2 is at 8,000, which we may need for the basic, yeah? We may need that for basic. Because if we put it 8,000, we're going to have to mess around with the basic pointers. Yeah, it's upper area of basic, but we'd have to tell basic not to use that area, so we'd have to mess around with pointers. I was just trying to see if we could do it. If we can't do it, then we'll drop it down to bank 2, yeah? So, how am I going to do this? Export binary character set. So, file. Need to upload the entire character set. Yes, I know, mate. I know. And this is one of the things about programming in basic. Right, where is it? There. There we go. We've got it in there. So we're up to 63. So 63 characters. Yeah. So we've got 63 characters. So let's save that. Right, let's... Okay, so now we need to get them into the program. So character set, export to a listing, and we're going to put them at 60,000. How many generate using the following range from index 0 to 64? Basic data, right. Here we go. And look at us, we have screwed up it already. Right, there we go. Put that there. You are going to swear every time you run. Yes, I know, mate. I do know. I do know. Right, so data, and we put -1 there. So, first things first. Right, so we need to load the data in. So, restore 60,000 for no. Location equals, what did we say? 51200. Yeah, that'll do. Then read byte poke location comma byte L equals L plus 1. But before we do that, if B is less than 0, no, if B is greater than 0, then poke L comma B add. Do you need a rem at 59500? No. So increase. So if B is less than 0, then return, go to $59510. And I know you guys are going to be shouting at me because that'll reset this. So we'll take that out and we'll put it there. Right, that should read it in. So this should restore to this line number. That's my understanding of restore anyway. Hang on. That's my understanding of restore. The basic command restore, not to be, is used to clear the pointers of the next data value. The next read data will be the first. Oh, I thought you could put a line number in there. I thought... Do it in all one line. If B is greater than or equal to 0, then poke L. Yes. That's probably a good one. We don't need that. This would be return, and we would not need that because B will be 0 to start with anyway. Right, let's see if that runs. Let's see if that runs. Now I keep pressing F6. F5. Yeah, doesn't like that. Right, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Okay. So it should restore. F5, John. F5. Now we're going to be waiting. we won't know. We won't know. Yeah, warp mode. That's Control W, isn't it? Alt W. Hang on. Well spotted, mate. Well spotted. There we go. There we go. Right, now it's doing it. But, oh, we didn't change the pointer, did we? We didn't change the pointer. So, once it's done that, and then we've changed bank, we need to change the pointer, don't we? Uh, 53272. Oops. What's going on? 5 3 comma. Now, luckily I've still got this open. That's the one. So if we change the character set to there, 1 4. So if I put it there, will it change? No. Why is that number not changed? D018. Oh, that's strange. Right. Okay. 1 4 1 4 1 4. What was the number I'm after? So it's got to be 1 2. 1, 2. But it's not. Oh, it did change it. Now, did I put? Did that that? Oh, this is not loading. Right, so it's 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's 16, 18, isn't it? Right, let's see. F5. Oh, get in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we have a letter J. We have a letter J. Now, Alright. Oh, I've hit F6 again. F5. Right. There we go. So we got the letter J. So, there is a pointer to tell the system where the screen is. Where would that's in the 2s, isn't it? Top page of screen memory. Here we go. 288. Right, this location contains the value by the operating system routine to print to the screen as the basic address for RAM. The top of the screen can be found by multiplying the location by 256. The default value for this RAM on power up is 400, which contains 4. Right. So we are now C4. So that's 196 that needs to go into 648. Okay. So we do that, then poke 648, comma, what was that? What did I put? 196. 196. And then just to make sure that it's working, we will print clear. So we'll do the clear screen on it before we do the poke. Right. F5. Let's see if that does it. Get in there. But why is it doing 5? Oh, return from GoSub. Yeah, that's right. Because we need to end. Is 5 on 32? Oh, it is. Yeah, except for the... They're not the same, yeah, so we can't use the print, we can't use the clear screen. I can't use the clear screen, but it showed that it's working, because if I do this and say here, John is great, we should see Johnny's great at the top. Yep, it's there, look. Johnny's great. You can just see it. And we've got the ready. It's just that the clear screen is not going to work. So we've got the character set in place. So we have the character set in place. So now if we've got the character set, at C8, so in fact, let's put it up here so we know where we're doing. Right, so C1000 to C3FF is free. You know, we can do what we want in there if we want. Then C400 to C7FF is screen and sprite pointers. C800 to so C8 to CA currently is the character set. So we can't do that. But hang on. No, we can't use that, can we? We can't use that. So then so we'll put the sprites there at E1000 onwards. So E1000 equals sprite pointer of (128). So that's a sprite pointer of 128. So that's where our first sprite would be. So let's see what we can do. We have a blank sprite there. So what we got up to? 56. So we'll set it to 56. Oops, undo. 57 then. There we go. So let's save that as basic, and then we'll export this as binary. I don't care. Right. Let's add a new file. Right then, file, import from binary file. This is what we want. Sprites, no, we don't need to do that because it's already done. Load. Right, do we get them all in? No, they're off. Right, let's close that. No. Let's go back in. Let's try again. Import from binary file. File contains load address. Does it? No. There we go. Got there in the end. Got there in the end. Right. So let's save that. And right, let's close that. Let's put our pointer let's do this. Right, file, export to listing. So now we want a listing 62123. Generate data using 3 values per line. Did that say 20? Between 1 and 20? Okay, so 60. There's 3 bytes by 24. So if I did 24, that would be 3 lines per. So if we do 12, that's 6. Right, so we don't need to pad. Or do we? Yeah, we'll pad. Use description as label. Include sprite number. Only generate sprites, included sprites. Okay. Did that do it? Oh, that's popped our line number in, isn't it? That's not going to work. That's going to break the line number in. Yeah. Let's do that again. To listing 62123 increments of 1. That's better. Go. That's better. That's better. Now we've got our sprites in. Right, save. So we need to do the same thing for our sprites. So we'll do the same thing here. Right, so we won't do return there. So we've done that, so now we'll change this to be oh, where did I say he was going to go? Five, 7, 3, 4, 4. So we'll do this again. Right, so that should read the character set and plonk it. Then we're going to read the sprites and put them down. So we need to get the sprites on the screen. Need to get the sprites on the screen. So poke sprites. First things first. C7 F7. So that's the first sprite. So 51191, 51191, comma 129. We'll just, because we know 128's a blank, yeah. So 128, 129. 30, 31, 32, 33, 133. So that puts the other sprite. So we've got the two sprites. Right, let's poke D1000. No, it's not, is it? It's oh, where's the enable? Raster. X expand. Where's the enable? Oh, where's the enable? Ten, 11, 12. There we go. 5329. There we go. 53269. Yeah, we'll have to tell them. We'll have to tell them that we're in multicolor, mate. We'll get there. So we're just going to enable the sprites at the moment. So 53269, and we want the first two, so that's going to be 3. And the poke, the multicolor. Where's the multicolor one?
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Okay, Docster, I'll store it because he's asleep. I can hear him snoring. 276, comma 1. Right, so that should have enabled both sprites and enabled sprite 0 to be the multicolour, which I think is the 129. Now we need to give it the colours. So what are the colours? What's the multicolour colours? God, it's hard doing it in basic. Multicolour mode. Here we go. Here we go. Background colour 1 and 2. So what's the background colours for this? Right, okay. So the background colours are cyan and mild grey. Dark grey foreground, cyan 1 and mid grey 2. So 12 and 3. Okay. So poke 5 3 2 8 2 comma 3 poke 5 3 2 8 3 comma 12. So that's the two multicolours, and then poke the individual colours. Where's the individual colours? Oh, that's not it. That's not it. Sorry. It's 5 and 6. That's it. And then poke 5 3 2 8 7 comma, what did you say? Dark grey, which is 10. Now it's 11. So 11 for that one. And that is just black, yeah? It's just black. Yeah. So poke 5 3 2 8 8 comma 0. So that sets the colour. Right, so let's get them on the screen. So pike 5 3 2 4 8 comma 100 colon poke 5 3 2 5 0 comma 100. So that sets the X. Poke 5 3 2 4 9 comma 100 colon poke 5 3 2 5 1 comma 100. So that'll get them on the screen. Right, end. Right, let's see. Let's see if we get any sprites on the screen. Now this may take a while. This may take a while. Just grabbing a drink. Yeah, I think it might take a while. Yeah, let's warp it. Well, there we go. I think I've got the colours the wrong way round. That looks like I've got the colours the wrong way round. Let me split them. Right, so splitting them, we'll put it in warp mode as soon as it fires up. There we go, in warp. Right, well there's something wrong with that one. Yeah, something definitely wrong with that one. This one... doesn't look anything like that. Have I got my colours the wrong way round? I think I've got the colours the wrong way round, haven't I? Yeah, progress bar, I'm thinking of that as well, mate, to be honest. But that means that this line here will not work. Yeah? I might just get it to print out L. Right, let's turn these round. So 12 and 3. Right, F5. Got it on warp anyway, so... Ooh! That's interesting. I've still got this open, so load. It's doing it slowly. It's doing it. We're there. Oh, that's a long way to wait. That is. No, FaiRLane. Yeah, mate. Yeah. Oh, Mrs. OSK's asking me questions. Yeah, I mean, it's there, look. It's halfway. I don't know how to speed it up on this. I mean, we've got emulation running at max. I don't think it makes any difference. Switch the screen off when doing the reading. Yeah. I mean, it's sort of... Yeah, we're there, we're here, look. So that's where it's got up to, and we're poking here. You could just see it progressing. Yeah. Right then. I've just been asked... Right, okay. So, FaZe and I have been discussing this project, right? And what he's decided to do and what he came up with, and I'm
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Quick lurk before. Who's followed? Say hello. Say hello. Right, before the follow and before Mrs. OSK got in the way, FaZe and I have been talking about this game.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You
Hey
guys
Nicole
really
Mo,
spoil me.
welcome. So FaZe and I have been talking about this, and we've decided that we're going to this game will be dual developed, yeah. So what FaZe wants to do, he wants to take what the concept of the game and then port it to the 68K, yeah. So I presume FaZe is going to do the basic version of this and then move it into assembly. So the game is going to be on 2 streams, but for 2 different platforms. Yeah, Amiga, I think that's what FaZe was saying, Amiga. So he's just asked me if I would announce it and said, yeah. It's what? So it's going to be a sort of collab, yeah? So it's going to be a sort of collab. So you're going to see both versions. Right, so it's now done it. Is that okay for you, FaZe? Those colours look wrong. Have I got them in the wrong place? You're welcome, mate. You're welcome. Have I got them in the wrong place? So the colours are... DO25, which is O3 and OC. Okay. O3 and OC. But that's not... that doesn't look right. 25 should be 03. 25 is... Oh, I've done the wrong one. OC here. Let's go. Right. Does that look better? No, that's still not right, is it? Yeah, 26 is colour 1, yeah? And that is 03. So the and you said that the main colour, but the cyan looks too much. The cyan looks too much. Yeah, 25 is 03. 26 is 12. And 10 for the in 27. 10 in 27. Oh, John, you're a muppet. No, that's right. Well, that's not 10, is it? 25, 26. Can't change that. Right, we said that the foreground colour is 11, which is B. That's right. And then 3, and then 12. 3 and 12. So B, 3 and 12. So why does that look wrong? Why does that look wrong? Yeah, assembly for life. That doesn't look... Let me change that to 02. So that's red. Is this wrong? So that should be the dark colour. So that should be B. Right, let me work this out. So that should be B. OB. Yeah? OC. And the colour should be 03. No, 28. 03. Oh, it's not changing the colour. It's not changing the colour. That one changes. So why is it not changing the first one? 03. That's not changing that colour. Why is it not changing that colour? As soon as I move away, it goes back to B. Right, let's do it this way. Go to DO. Go to DOOO. Right. DO27. There. 03. That is strange. Why cyan's not showing? Oh, there we go. Does That's still not right, is it? That's still not right. So what's wrong with that? Oh, hang on. Hang on a second. That is pointing to the wrong thing. That should be 0. That should be 0. This is not meant to be multicolour. Right, I've got me sprites the wrong way around. So I've got the 2 sprites. 129, which is the multicolour one. And the next one is 133. That was showing that one. That's why it was looking stupid. This one. So that's 129. That's 128, 129. That one should be multicolour. Right. So multicolour, I think, is that one. 37267. Yeah. So bit 0 is... No. No, mate. Sprite, hang on. Sprite 0. That's right.
Ah!
No. No,
No,
I'm still... Sprite 0 is the multicolour sprite. Am I poking to the right place? Where's the sprite pointer start? No, it's well, it's different, mate. I tell you, it's different. Oh, F8. Oh, F8. I was 1 out. I was 1 out. Right, okay, so it's 2 and 3. I was 1 out. My sprite pointers were out. Right, let's F5 this. It's a lot easier with assembly, isn't it? It's a lot easier in assembly. Yeah, I've warped it. There we go. There we go. Right, so that's let's move that over there. Let's get this back. So, right, I need to swap the colours over. I need to swap these colours over. So that's back to 3 and that's back to 12. Right, I will put them on top of each other now. Right. Here we go. F5 and then warp it straight away. There we go. It's warped. So planks still apply. There you go. Oh. You're right. You're right with the priority. Right, so let's swap these over. So 3, 2. So that means that 2 is the multicolour sprite. And I need to change the colours, which is here. So that's going to be 0. And that's going to be 11. Right. Let's just see if we've got a sprite, mate, before you go. We should be able to see it now. Right, warp it. Oh, what happened there? Oh, wrong button. F5. Right, Alt W is warp. There we go. There we go. We have a tank. We have a tank. Hey, we have a tank. Finally, after all that, we have a tank. Right. Right, let's see. Let's see if we can get it animated. Right, so that should be pretty easy, the animation. He says. Alright, Mikroman. See you later, mate. See you out next time, yeah? Right, so there is 4 multicolour sprites. Okay. Right, 4 multicolour sprites, 4 static sprites. So let's get this. Now we've got it on. Frame equals 0. Right, let's see if we can get this. See if we can get this thing animated. So, I need this. 129 plus FR. And 133 plus FR. Hey, Kylodos. Welcome. Right. FR equals FR plus 1. If FR equals 5, then FR equals 0. Go to 110. Oh dear. This is gonna be monstrous. Oh, it didn't do the it didn't do the right, warp. Missing poke on. Well, oh, right, okay. Am I missing a poke on line 110? Oh, so I am. Oh, syntax error in. Can't see what that says. Oh dear. Right, okay. Welcome, Grey Defender. Yeah, well, you got some points for that, mate. Right, let's try that again. F5. And then warp it. Come on. Come on, that's warped. Ooh. I wonder... I wonder if that is mistiming thing. Oh, 0-3. Oh, yes. Yeah, you're right. 0-3. So if it becomes 4, we're back to 0 again. I'll leave the delay in. I'll leave the delay in. And then we'll take it out. Right, that's warped. And also it was in warp mode as well, so we'll have to go take it out of warp when it comes up. There you go. There you go. Right, let's take the delay out. And we'll fire this back up again. Put it in warp. So it reads the data. There you go. There you go, it's out of warp now. Can you see that animating? Can you guys see that animating? Well, it's fast, right? It's fast. It's animating rather quickly. But that's great because it means the more code we put in, the slower it will get. Yeah, so I don't mind it going fast at the moment because it's basic. So the more code we put in this basic program, the slower the animation will get. Yeah. So we've got a tank up and running. So I was just wondering whether we could do the other tanks as well. Might as well. Might as well. Let's see if we can get the other ones up and running. So that means we're going to need to activate 2 more. Not without multiplexing. Right, so we need to activate 2 more, don't we? So 3. So that's going to be 7. Yeah. How are we going to do multiplexing? We're not going to be able to do multiplexing in basic. How are we going to? We may only be able to show the one sprite like that. Yeah, there's 7 sprites, but how many tanks do we... Okay, for the basic one, how many tanks should we have on the screen? Because remember, we'll probably have to have a sprite for the turret. Yeah? Unless we use characters for the turret. Would... Yeah, at the moment it's 2 sprites per tank, which means that we'd only have 4 tanks on screen, but then we've got nothing to shoot at it. Yeah? Why tanks at different distances? To make it difficult, yeah? Right, the old-fashioned game... the old-fashioned game. The game I used to play... Hang on. The game I used to play is where you had a tank here. Yeah, and a tank... here. Yeah, so 1 tank there and 1 tank there, and then what you did, you shot your bullet or shell to try and hit it, yeah, and then they would have a go, shoot back. So it was all based around the angle and the power. Yeah, so it's shell shock, is it? So what we're doing, right? So you could have a tank here, but it's a different distance from that one. Yeah. So that's where the distance is. But because we're trying to give the 3D perspective to this, because we're trying to do the 3D perspective of this, that's why you've got the tanks that are different distances. And we're trying to give that 3D perspective, so the little tanks, that, you know, the little tanks are the ones furthest away. So that's why we've got the different ones, yeah? So if we... how many tanks do we put on the screen in the basic version? 2? If we have 2 tanks, then we've got enough sprites for a turret. So we'd need 2 sprites for a turret. So we could have... And we need a sprite for the shell. Yeah, I think 2 sprites for the basic program is enough, yeah? So we have 2 tanks moving, and we're trying to shoot it. 2 sprites for the turret, and 1 sprite for the shell, yeah? And then that shell can be turned into an explosion when it hits the ground, yeah? So let's get another tank on the screen. So, if it's 3... Oh, this is annoying. Why am I having to do this? This is annoying. Yeah, 15. I thought it was. 2 sprites. 15. And the multicolour one will be the odd ones, which is going to be 0... no, which is going to be 1, 0, 1, 0. That's 10. Yeah, we can do that in the ASM version, mate. But in the basic one, I think we're going to be in trouble, to be honest. Oh, Aston's snoring his head off, bless him. Absolutely snoring his head off. So that's gonna be 990. Right, that's those two. Then we need to, right, I'm gonna do this. So 48 and 50, so the next one's 50, 52, 54. And then 50, 53, 55. Right, so let's do the oh, I didn't do the sprite pointers, didn't I? So 53, 54, 55. 55 is going to be 55, 128 plus 9. So that's 137. And that one 13. 128 plus 13 is 138. 141. Right, that should have got them there. So 5, 1, 3, 7, 4, 1, 4, 1. Right, do we have a second set of sprites on? I do, but they're not animating for some reason. Oh,
Ah! What a plank.
There you go. We have two sprites now animated. So we're getting there. We're getting there. The planker command is so amazing. Right, so we've got two sprites now on the screen. And it looks like it's doing it all right. We've now reached the limits of what 6.5. Well, I don't know. I was thinking of getting another sprite on there. Let's get another sprite on there. So 15. So the next one would be 31, 32, wouldn't it? So it's two more. So that's going to be 63. Yeah. And then we got 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 42. Right, let's get the next set on. So that's going to be there. 128 plus 17, 138. 138 plus 7 is 145. Is that right? And the black one is 21. 128 plus 21 is 128 plus 21 is 148. 149. Right, let's do this. So that's going to be 6 and 5. 9. 45, yeah? So 6. Oh, no, not 6. 7 and 5. Oh, 7 and 6. 7 and 6. Right, so we've enabled it. 4 and 5. So 91, 92. So this is gone. Whoa. 52, 54, 56, 58, and we'll put them at 200. So 53, 55, 57, 59. Right. Hopefully that will put another sprite on there. Right. Here we go. F5. Whoop. Oh. Got an error? I screwed up. Oh, there we go. Oh. get a reasonable animation in basic. And we do. And we do. SP's got that in his clipboard now. Right, so we've got and they're animating all right. So it's probably going to slow down a little bit more once we start putting the code in there. But yeah, we've got the tanks on the screen. Now, I suppose we better layer them, haven't we? I suppose we better layer them to give the impression. So let's layer them so it gives them a better impression. So the bigger ones are going to be closer to us, so we'll put them at 200. These can be at 150, which will be a bit further, and these at 100. That'll do. F5. Warp. Warp. Hello, this Royal. Welcome. Welcome. There we go. That's the sort of aspect ratio would be, but they'll be close together. They'll be close together. They won't be that far apart. So on this, on here, night, Gary. We need some particles when we're moving. Right. So this is okay. This is okay. But where are we going to put the score? This needs a little bit of work. And 132 characters taken up as well. Yeah. Oh, it's only 20 deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it's only 20 deep. Right, okay. So we've got the 5 rows at the bottom. Yeah, okay. Got the 5 rows at the bottom. So if we could, then the turret sprite would be coming along here. Yeah? The turret sprite would be going backwards and forwards here, aiming at the... And then below it would be our HUD, where all the scoring and stuff is. The title screen, yeah, I saw the title screen, mate. I saw the title screen. That's not going to go into basic. I'm telling you now, that's not going to go into basic. But now I've got to figure out how to do this. How are we going to get this on the screen? We might have to compress. Can we compress? Get rid of the duplicates. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get rid of any duplicate tiles. Okay. Oh, that scrossed it down better. I squashed it down better. See, that's only, what, 64 characters. Ah, we can live with that. We can live with that. So now, how can I get that in the program? It looks like it's layered. It looks like it's layered. Oh, we could... I think we could get away with that. Right. Now, how am I going to get that exported? So we've got 65 characters. Yeah, I think we can do the screen in BASIC. Because it looks like it's, I mean, except for these odd ones here, it looks like it's it's a row of exactly the same. So we could just do a row of exactly the same and then poke the palm trees in right at the very end. But we definitely use this in the assembled version. We may have more than one screen. So I need to get that character set in. And see if we can build the screen up. So let me save this as right. Let's export the characters. Right, export the characters there. And if we go into CPS and load the character setting, we will stick them. I'm just thinking, do I want to stick them at the end? Or should I give a gap? I'll stick them in the reverse. No, can't stick them in the reverse. No, we'll put them at the end. So we're going to start injecting them in on 64. We'll inject them in on 64. So if we do import from file, we're not going to skip any bytes. Get all the characters starting from 64. Right. Oh, here we go. And we want them. Right. So let's get that exported. Right, let me just save this. Save. We'll close that because we're gonna have to remove all this lot and re-export it again. We'll leave that line in there. We'll put it there. Right, here we go. So character set, export to listing, and we are starting at 65. It's 605. It was that, wasn't it? And we'll do it in one. So generate for modified. Generate data only for the modified characters. Yes. Output format. Now add rem. Yeah, we'll do that. Right. Okay. Close. So that. So we're okay. We're still okay on the numbering. Right. Do you know you've been snoring your bonce off, mate? Yes, you've been snoring your bonce off. I've been hearing you going rattling away. What's the matter? You want to go out now? You've woken up. Hey? Yeah. All right then. All right, guys. Just give me a sec. I'm gonna take him out. Take him out. Come on then. Show the title screen again. Yes, certainly. Hang on. There you go. There's the title screen. I don't think we'll be able to do that in BASIC. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to do that in BASIC. There we go. Right. So let's hope all the characters get loaded in. So the first thing we need to do, we know the it's in multicolor. Yeah, we're in multicolor. Yeah. All those data statements. Right, so this is a multicolor screen. So we need to figure out. So I think that. So that's tile 0. So that's going to be that one, which has. Oh, it doesn't tell me what characters. Oh, character picker. Aha. Right. So the top two rows we can do. So we just need. So we need to turn on the multicolor. Character multicolor. So what's that? Is that Scrolly X? Scrolly X. Where's Scrolly X? Here we go. You are right. Bit 4. Bit 4 on 53270. So let's put some... $61. So poke 53270, and are we turning it on? Yes, we are. Comma peak open bracket 53270, or it with bit 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. So that should turn multicolour on. Then we need to set the colours. So that's going to be 53282, 53282, comma, something, colon, poke, 53283, comma, something. So what are those values? So right, so M1 is 5. So the first one is 5, and the second one is 11. So that's setting the multicolour values. Alright, so right, now we need to set up the screen. So let's do this. So 5, 8. Right, so this is going to be setting up the screen. So the first line was character 3. Was character 3. And cyan. Okay. So so C400. What's C400? Right, C400. Oh, I've written this down already. 50176. Okay. So let's do this. So 4i equals 0 to 39. Poke 50176 plus I comma 3 colon poke. What's the colour RAM? 5.8, isn't it? 5.8. 5.8. Five 55296. It's 3 cyan, isn't it? So we'll put that there. Right, we'll put that there. Right, so we should have Right, I'm going to do the second line as well. I'm going to do the second line. Right. Let's get some maths going. That plus 40 equals 50216. 55296 plus 40. 55296 plus 40. 5533. So the second line was character 4. Character 4 with the background colour of 11. Right, character 4, background colour of 11. So character 4, background colour of 11. Right, let's see if we get the first two lines up. Here we go. We'll find out if we've got our multicolour set right. Let's hope all the characters get loaded up. Oh, I've just realised. It's not 4. It's that. Right, let's do it again. Do it again. Is that right? I think that's right, isn't it? If that wasn't multi-column. Right, so we've got that. So if I put multicolour on and change the colours to be the respective, which is green and that one. Oh, why wasn't that one set? Oh, that won't set. Blue first, grey second. Okay. Have I got the wrong way around? Let's have a look. Save. Blue first, grey second, yeah. That is not showing as multicolour though. Have I not turned multicolour on? I don't think I've turned multicolour on. You can only use the bottom colours in multicolour mode. Yeah, yeah. But I don't think I've actually turned multicolour on. Let me just make sure. Where is it? 53270. I may be turning the wrong bit on. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm turning the wrong bit on. 16, not 8. Right. Warp it. Yeah, in the editor, I think there's still a problem in the editor. I've got to talk to AJ about it. There we go. There we go. But it's coming out as cyan. That should be blue. Have I got... Right. Foreground is 11. Oh, I've put 12. Did I put 12? No, I put 11. That's 11, yeah. But they've put blue. That should be blue. Oh, no. It's 14. 14. Go on, I'm waiting for it. Plank. There we go. There we go. So that should look similar to that. Which it is. Right, so we just need to do that for the next set. So, tile editor, select the tile. Oh, hang on. Why is that not picking out the tile? Oh, tile 5. There's tile 5. So we're talking character 17. Character 17. Which is light green. Oh, how can that be like... Oh, that's green, yeah. So character 17's the next one. Right, okay. Right, plus 40, that's 56. Plus 40 is 70. So we've got character 17, wasn't it? Character 17 and 13. And then the next one is character 18. And, right, okay, 18 and still the same colour. So let's grab that, put that there. So 50 plus 40 is 90. 70 plus 40 is 460.
Ah! What a plank.
Use the same loop. Lots of planks going on. Yeah, okay. I see what you're saying. See what you're saying. Yep. I see what you're saying. Right, let's see if we get another 2 lines on that. No, you're not, mate. No, you're not. Right, here we go. Warp it. There we go. So there's 2 lines. Well, that's 4 lines. Yes, I know, mate. I've just put in those 64s in there just to remind me it's got to be added. Your 64 has no warp button. No. I was a bit distracted. Just disassembled the telescope. Nice. Right then. So we're starting to build the screen up. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to work out tomorrow. I'm going to finish off this screen builder, and then next Wednesday, we'll start adding the mechanics. Well, if we get a sprite turret, why not add John Basic to it? So this stream will be every Wednesday, yeah. So the tank stream is going to be every Wednesday, and the track stream will be on Mondays, yeah. The reverse engineering of tracks. Unless Traxx gets really, really complicated, then we'll just stick with this. All right. So, well, thank you for joining me. Now we see. I'm not dirty. My Mega 65. Oh, right. If you use your Mega 65. All right then, guys. Right, I'm going to leave it at that, because it's 12, and we'll come back to this next week. Alright, thank you very much. Take care. See you later. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.